Hello everyone, this is Dikshita Kambri and welcome back to my channel. So as Hacktoberfest is going on, many of you want to make contributions in the Hacktoberfest and receive the swags which are given by Hacktoberfest. So in this video we are going to talk about the Hacktoberfest. What is Hacktoberfest? What skills you will require to make contributions in Hacktoberfest? What are the rules and how you can contribute? So without further ado, let's get started. So here is one blog that I have written on Hacktoberfest. So you can visit freecadex.blogspot.com where you will find this blog, and you will also find the registration link for the Hacktoberfest in this blog only. So I will provide the link of the blog in the description as well. So you can read out all the details and register in the Hacktoberfest. So yeah, what is Hacktoberfest? So it is a code event hosted by the DigitalOcean. It is the 8th edition of the Hacktoberfest, and as you can see over here, Hacktoberfest encourages participants in giving back to open source community by completing pull request. So you will need to make four pull requests in any eligible repository in order to receive the swags from the Hacktoberfest or the DigitalOcean. Then next, who can contribute? So any student, developer, or the open source contributor can contribute in the Hacktoberfest. Then what skills you will required for contributing in the Hacktoberfest? So you can have knowledge of any programming language like C, Java, Python, etc. Then you should have knowledge about Git and GitHub, since you are going to make a pull request in the GitHub only. So that's why Git and GitHub, the knowledge of Git and GitHub should be must. Then rules. Okay, so the rules for Hacktoberfest are the Hacktoberfest is hosted in the month of October, so you can sign up anytime between 1st October to 31st October to participate in the event. So next, you will need to make four pull requests in any participating GitHub or GitLab hosted repository. So it should be a public repository. Please note that it should be a public repository, and it should be a participating repository. So how you can know that it is a participating? First, it should be a public, and the repository should have a topic of Hacktoberfest. Um, in the demo, after some time I will show you the demo. In that I will let you know how to add the topic of Hacktoberfest in the GitHub repository or the project. So next, third is, if the maintainer reports your pull request as spam, your contributions will not be counted as Hacktoberfest. So make sure that whatever changes you are going to make in the repository should be valid and should be appropriate, so that maintainer will not report it as the spam. Then if a pull request is merged by maintainer or has been given as the Hacktoberfest accepted label, then only it is considered as approved. So keep all these rules in mind, and before you can start contributing in the Hacktoberfest. So these are the swags which I received last year for my contribution. So these are stickers, and this is one T-shirt which is given by DigitalOcean. Then now we'll move towards the demo of Hacktoberfest. So first of all, as you can see, the first step is visit http this URL. I will just copy paste it over here. So this is the official website of Hacktoberfest, um, which is hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com. So make sure that you visit the right website. That's why I've provided the link in the blog only. So you can find it over here, as well as I have mentioned it at the bottom of the blog as well. So you can refer it from here. Then just click on start hacking, and you will be redirected to this page. and then click on sign up with GitHub. Now just click on authorize Hacktoberfest. Then it will redirect to the another page which is about you, where you have to select the email address which is from the account, from the email address from which you have signed into GitHub. Then you have to select location as India. And now if you are only participating, that is if you are only making pull request, then you have to select participant. And if you are going to be the maintainer, that is if you are going to merge pull request as well, then you have to select the maintainer as well. Since I am going to participate and maintain the repository at the participant and maintainer, then after that check on the last I have read and understand rules and values, and then click on next. Once you click on the next, you will find step 3 web page, which is happy hacking. If you scroll down, there in that page also you have to check on two lines, that is I have you need to check, click on two check boxes and click on start hacking. Once you click on start hacking, it will redirect to your profile page, where you can see the all the pull requests that you have made and during the Hacktoberfest only. So you can see all the pull requests that you have created during Hacktoberfest and their status. So now that we have registered successfully registered for the Hacktoberfest, now we can create a pull request. So let's get started. I have selected this repository for making a pull request. So you can select any of the repository which has the Hacktoberfest topic. So I have also provided four repository, my four repository, where you can contribute and you can achieve the Hacktoberfest swags. In that four repository, I have added the Hacktoberfest topic as well, and all the fours are public, so you can contribute in four of them if you want. So now let's see how you can create a pull request. So first of all, you need to click on fork button. So select your account. Here mine is Dikshita Kamri, so I will select it as Dikshita Kamri. Then now you will be able to make changes in that repository. So just click on any file in that repository file. Now just click on this edit button at the right corner so that you can edit that file. Then make appropriate changes in that file so that maintainer can merge all those pull requests. So I'm adding here the keywords, which is a simple change in the code. So once you make changes in the code, scroll down So now just commit changes. For that you can type any commit, like I have added here keywords added. Then just click on, after adding commit, just click on commit changes. Once you click on commit changes, now after that click on pull request. Then click on new pull request. And finally click on click on create pull request. Click on again click on create pull request. Now finally you have created one pull request, and maintainer will be able to see this pull request in the repository. When you make a pull request, just go back to that website of the Hacktoberfest, official website of the Hacktoberfest. So if the maintainer have merged that pull request, you will be able to see the status of that pull request. So as you can see over here, it is showing one in progress. So you have submitted keywords and it will mature in 14 days. So in this way you need to add 4 pull requests in order to be eligible for the Hacktoberfest swags. So go ahead and contribute as much as possible in the open source and gain more knowledge and swag. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video then hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so that I can add more videos.